Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. This is me, Ms. Reda, your maths teacher from SM Public Academy, Campus 5. My dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 12, Triangles. So what is a triangle? A figure bounded by three straight lines. A figure bounded by three straight lines is called a triangle. Here you can see that there are three straight lines are there. So a figure bounded by three straight lines, it is called a triangle. Okay. Now let's name here. For example, this is A, this is B and C. Okay. Here is a triangle A, B and C. So if A, B, C are three non-collinear points, okay, here you can see that A, B, C are the non-collinear points, then the union of the segments. If I meet these 3 points, if they are non-collinear points, you can see if I join these 3 points, I find a segments. I found the segments AB, BC and CA. Okay, and the union of these 3 segments is called a triangle. Okay, now this triangle is denoted by, here you can see that triangle ABC. This triangle is denoted by triangle ABC. And the common points of the line segment. Here you can see that this is the line segment AB and this is the line segment AC. So the common point between these two lines is A. Okay, the common point is A. Common means it is in both the line segments. A is in both the line segments, so it's the common point. So the common points of the line segments are called the vertices of the triangle. Okay, in AB and BC, B is the common point. So B here is the vertex of triangle. Okay, and ABC are the vertices of the triangle. Sides of the triangle. Here you can see that there is side AB, BC and CA. These are the 3 sides of the triangle. What about the angles, students? What about the angles? Here you can see that, for example, this angle. Okay, this angle is BAC. Angle BAC. Or simply I can say that this is angle A. This is angle A. Simply this is angle A, right? And angle ABC means angle ABC means this angle. Or simply I can say that this is angle B. In the same way, angle ACB means angle AC and B. That means this angle, I'm talking about this angle. So I can simply say that this is angle C. So these are 3 sides and 3 angles of the triangle. Students, sum of the angles of the triangle always equal to 180 degree. Okay, that means here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is always equals to 180 degree. Okay. Whenever we add all the angles of the triangle, it must be equal to 180 degree. Keep remember in your mind that sum of measure of all the angles of the triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Classification of triangles. We can classify the triangles in 2 ways, in 2 types. Number 1, according to angles. Number 2, according to sides. Okay, according to angles and according to sides. According to angles, students, number 1 is acute angle triangle. then right angle triangle, then obtuse angle triangle. Okay, in acute angle triangle, all the angles are acute. What is the meaning of acute, bete? Acute means less than 90 degrees. So here in the picture you can see that in the diagram, all the angles are less than 90 degrees. Okay, when all the angles are less than 90 degrees, it is called an acute angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? A right angle triangle, here in the diagram you can see that in the right angle triangle, one angle, here this angle is right angle. Right angle means angle of 90 degree. Here one right angle is there. This is the right angle, that means it is of 90 degree, right? And the other two angles here, these two angles are acute angles. Okay, that means less than 90 degree. So in the right angle triangle, one angle is right angle and two angles are acute angle. And very important, according to your objectives, its sides opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. Okay, here you can see that this is the right angle. Am I right? This is the right angle. So the side opposite to it, opposite side is this. So this side is called the hypotenuse. What is this called? It is called the hypotenuse. The side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. Clear, students? Now, obtuse angle triangle. Okay, a triangle containing one obtuse angle. What is the meaning of obtuse? That greater than 90 degree. Here you can see that this angle is greater than 90 degree. Okay, when a triangle having one angle obtuse and two angle, here you can see that the two angles are acute. This type of triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Okay, when all the angles are acute, it is called acute triangle. When one angle is right angle and two are acute, it is called right angle. And when one angle is obtuse and other two are acute, it is called obtuse angle triangle. Now, according to sides, okay, now we are talking about sides. That means A, B, B, C and C, A, right? Now we are talking about the sides of the triangle. So there are, again, we can divide according to side in three ways. Okay, equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the three sides are equal in length. Okay, now for example, this is triangle ABC. So AB, BC and CA. All these three sides are equal in length. Okay, Ali? All the three sides are equal in length. It is called an equilateral triangle. Okay, now one important point here is each angle of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. Okay, here shows each angle of equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. That means all other angles are, remaining two angles are also of 60 degree, because 60 plus 60 120 and 120 plus 60 is 180. So here remember this important point that in equilateral triangles all the angles are also equal and sides are also equal. Okay. Now what about the isosceles triangle? Amna, Masood, what about isosceles triangle? Here you can see the diagram of the isosceles triangle. Here these two sides are equal, having two sides equal, right? So it is a triangle in which two sides are equal in length. Here these two sides are equal in length. And very important point, according to your objective, here you can see that these two sides are equal in length. So the angle opposite to this side, that means angle opposite to this side is this. Okay, and the angle opposite to this side is this angle, right? This angle and this one. These two angles are also congruent. That means angles opposite to the congruent sides are also congruent. Okay, angles opposite to the congruent sides are also congruent. That means these two angles are congruent. Okay, opposite angles की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है? तो angle opposite to the congruent sides are also congruent. So what about the scalene triangle? A triangle having no sides equal. In other words, each side must have a different length. Okay, each side is of different length here. Okay, so it is the scalene triangle. So what is an equilateral triangle? Having three sides and three angles equal. Okay, now this isosceles triangle having two sides equal and opposite angles are congruent, and in scalene no side is equal in length. Now let's start construction of the triangle. So a triangle has 6 elements to use. Okay, 6 elements means it is having 3 sides and it is having 3 angles. Okay, so we construct a triangle having given that the measure of 3 sides are given. Okay, this is the case 1. In case 2, the measure of 2 sides and included angle is given. And number 3, when measure of one side and 2 angles are given. Okay, so there are 3 cases in which we are going to construct a triangle. So today we are going to discuss case number 1, that when measure of 3 sides are given. Okay, when measure of 3 sides are given. Here the question is, construct a triangle. Okay, construct a triangle ABC when here measurement AB, line segment is there. Here you can see that there is a line segment. Okay, line segment AB is equals to 7.5 centimeter, BC is equals to 6.6 centimeter, and measurement AC is equals to 5.8 centimeter. Okay, we have to construct a triangle. Write briefly, it's a step of construction. We have to write given, we have to write required, and then we have to write steps of construction. Okay, so given is that what is given in the question. So in this question, the given is that in triangle ABC, the students here triangle ABC is given. So I have written in triangle ABC. For example, EFG is given, so I will write in triangle EFG. Okay, in triangle ABC, just write down all the measurements. Okay, that measurement AB is equal to 7.5. In the same way, write down measurement BC, measurement AC. This is given in the question. Now, what is required? The required is you have to construct a triangle, right? So you can write triangle ABC is required. Okay, simply you can write that triangle ABC. What is required? Triangle ABC. Or you can also write to construct a triangle ABC. Now, let's start our steps of construction and the construction. First, we are going to do the construction. So here, this is your, here you can see that this is the page of, this is your copy, for example. Here you have to mention the date and exercise at the top. In this way, you have to mention the question. And there is a question written. Here you can write the given, then required, and steps of construction. In this way, you have to mention. And let's start the construction. Here I'm stopping my video. Can you please tell me in the chat box, Sheroz, voice is clear in the video or not? Please tell me quickly, yes or no? Okay, I'm starting it again. No voices come in during this video. I can hear my voice. So here, what is required? We have to construct a triangle ABC. Now for the construction of triangle, what we need? A pencil. We need a compass with a pencil, and we need a scale here. Okay, we need a pencil, compass with a pencil, a scale. Okay, now let's draw a triangle, students. Okay, now in this question, measurement AB is given and measurement AC is given, and here measurement BC is given. Okay, so here in this scale, you can see that there is inch, and there you can see that there is centimeter is written. So here we have to take the centimeters. Okay, we have to take here the centimeters. Okay, now here let me show you the scale properly, students. Here it starts with 0. We have to start the measurement with the 0. Okay, with the 0, then there is 0.1. Okay, then 0.2, then 0.3, then 0.4, and then 0.5. Okay, here you can see that 1, 2, 3. Okay, and between 2 and 3 there is 2.5. This line is of 2.5. Okay, so if I have to draw till 2.5, I will start with 0 till 2.5 here, between 2 and 3. Okay, this point is of 2.5 centimeter. This is 2.6 and this is 2. Okay, this is 2.7, this is 2.8, this is 2.9, and this is 3 centimeter. Okay, now let's start the construction. The students, सबसे पहले we have the measurement AB is equals to 7.5 centimeter. So let's take the scale and let's draw a line segment. The pencil must be sharp. Let's start with the 0. Okay, you can see that. First, I have marked the 0 on the scale properly. Just point out the 0, and then this is 7 centimeter, right? And this is 8 centimeter. Between 7 and 8, this point is called 7.5 centimeters. So let's draw a proper sharp line. Let's write it down. This is A, capital B, okay? And line segment AB is of 7.5 centimeter. Okay? Line segment AB is of 7.5 centimeter. Now measurement BC is equals to 6.6 centimeter. Right? Measurement BC is of 6.6 centimeter. So where we have to start drawing this line, we have to take D, right? We have to make the arc on B. Okay, so let's take the compass and scale, and let's take the proper measurements of 6.6 centimeter. Okay, now here, look at the measurement properly, how you have to measure the camera. 6 is there, so 6.6 centimeter. After 6.5 centimeter, there is 6.6 centimeter. Now, where I have to put the compass, on A or B? Yes, on B, because I have to make a line segment BC. So, we take B as center with radius 6.6 centimeter, draw an arc. Okay, what I have done? B as center with radius 6.6 centimeter, draw an arc with the help of compass. So with the help of compass, I have drawn an arc. Now, the third measurement is measurement AC is equals to 5.8 centimeter. So where I have to put our compass? Where I have to put my compass? At A. Now let's take the proper measurement by using scale and compass. So here you can see that this is 6 centimeter. Then before 6, okay, this is 5 centimeter. So let's count 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, and 5.8, right? 5.8. Now let's start with the 0. Then till 5.8 centimeter, take the proper measurement by using the compass. Now where I have to put? I have to put it on A, at point A. Okay. Now let's put it on point A and draw an arc. So A as center with radius 5.8 centimeter, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at point. This point is called C. This intersecting point is called C. Okay? This intersecting point is called C. Now you get all the 3 points. So here we want the line segment BC. So let's join B to C. This intersecting point is called C. So join this point to B, join B to C and A to C. Join B to C and A to C, and just write down the measurement over here, that this is of 6.6 centimeter and measurement AC is of 5.8 centimeter. Okay, so here triangle ABC is our required triangle. Clear, students? Triangle ABC is our required triangle. So here, how can I write the steps of construction? First, I have drawn the line segment AB of 7.5 centimeter, then B as center with radius 6.6 centimeter, draw an arc. A as center with radius 5.8 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting the first arc at C. Join A to C and B to C, and ABC is a required triangle. Clear, students? Now let's take another example. We have to construct triangle ABC when measurement AB and AC and BC is given. Okay. Now first we have to write the given, that in triangle ABC, these 3 measurements are given. Then we have to write required, and then I have to write steps of construction. So first of all, students, before writing the steps, here let's take the proper measurement, 6 centimeter. Okay, let's take AB is equals to 6 centimeter. So write it down in the steps, that draw measurement AB of 6 centimeter. Now here with the measurement of 5 centimeter, you have to draw an arc. where you have to put the compass at A, because AC is equals to 5 centimeter, right? So put the compass at A with a measurement 5 centimeter, draw an arc. Now BC is equals to 5.5 centimeter. Now put the compass on here. Put the compass on B with a measurement of 5.5 centimeter. Draw an arc. Here I have drawn an arc which cuts the previous arc at point C. So I have written this as step of construction over here. Okay. Now join B to C and C to A. So write it down in the steps of construction like this. So ABC is a required triangle. Now students, in the same way, if triangle DEF is given, so what you have to do here, you have to write that in triangle DEF, okay? In triangle DEF, these three measurements are given. So write down in the given in this way, that measurement DE, measurement EF and measurement DF are given. Okay, Ryan? So here you have written all the three measurements properly. Yes, Afra, Wajahat, Sumaya, Zuhaib. Okay? In this way you have to mention. Now what is required in this question? Triangle ABC? No, we have to construct a triangle DEF. Okay, we have to construct a triangle. We have to construct a triangle DEF. So let's start construction and steps of construction. So first we have drawn a line segment DE of 5.6 centimeters. So write the steps over here. Draw measurement DE is equals to 5.6 centimeter. Now what you have to do? Students? Now DS center with radius 6.7 centimeter, draw an arc. Okay. So you have written this point in the step of construction. Now next is ES center with radius, which centimeter? 8 centimeter. Draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at point F. Okay. When these two intersecting arcs are there, so this intersecting point, this main point is called F. Okay. These arcs are not called F, only this intersecting point. जहाँ पे आके intersect हो रहे, meet हो रहे, this point is called F. Okay. Now you have written this step in the steps of construction. Now join D to F and E to F like this. Okay. And in the step of construction, you have written this step. So triangle DEF is our required triangle. Any question, student? Any question, student? Yes, any question? So Halima, so it's now my turn to start the question, student. This is page number 165. Page 165, let's discuss all these questions. You have to give me the answers, okay? Open page 165, question number 1. A figure bounded by 3 straight lines is called a dash. What you have to do, keep your books in front of you and just note down, mark the answers here. Very good. Number 1 is triangle. Very good. The common point of the line segments are called dash. The common points of the line segments are called dash of the triangle. What I told you, Halima, that the common point of the line segments are called what? Yes, Subhana. Rumesa, Umar, Arif, Kainat, Halima, Ayman, bataiye quickly. The common points of the line segments are called vertices. Are called vertices. अच्छा बेटी यहाँ पे common points की बात हो रही है कायनात, तो we have to say that vertices. Vertex is singular. Okay, vertices. Yes, you all are correct. Yes, Alishba, Halima, Kainat, you all are correct. Now next is a triangle with one angle of 90 degree is called dash. Yes, Amna, correct. It is called the right angle triangle. Number 4, a triangle having no side congruent. A triangle having Abdullah Hassan. Please give me the answer of this question. Aman Kumar, Saat Khurram. You are not giving me any answer, students. Muhidur Rahman. Muhidur Rahman. Yes, it's a. Yes, it is scalene. Yes, Mohit, very good. It is called the scalene triangle, having no side congruent. So, Maya, equilateral triangle having all sides equal. Okay? Now, number 5. The sum of 3 angles of the triangle is always equals to? Yes? Very good. It is equals to 180 degree. It is equal to Zuhaib Irfan, Muhammad Umar. Yes, Muhammad Umar, you are correct. Alishba Sarfaraz and Aman Kumar, please give me the answer. Now the next question is, a triangle whose one angle is obtuse is called dash. Correct. Yes, Amna, Kainat, Halima. It is called an obtuse angle triangle. All the 3 angles of an acute angle triangle are dash. All the 3 angles of an acute angle triangle are number 2. Acute angle, very good. Now the next is an angle having all the 3 sides are congruent is called an dash angle triangle. Having all the sides are congruent. Halima, having all the sides are congruent, bete. When all the, yes, Afra, you are correct. It is called an, bete Muhidur Rahman, isosceles having 2 sides equal. Okay? But equilateral having all the 3 sides are equal. Good Halima. So angle opposite to the congruent side of an isosceles triangle are also dash. During my explanation, I told you about this, that the angle opposite to the congruent sides of an isosceles triangle are also what? Congruent. Very good. Opposite angles uske kya hote hain? Congruent hote hain. Okay. Cheryl's hypotenuse is the opposite side of the right angle in the right angle triangle. Remember? Good students. Now next 6th is Amna. Yes, correct. You are correct. Each angle of an equilateral triangle is of, very good Ali, it is of 60 degree. It is of 60 degree. So here you have to attempt these 2 questions in your book. Okay? Question number 1 and question number 2. Wait for a minute, students. Here I am taking your attendance. Okay. So students, I hope that today's lecture is properly clear to you students. So students, this is lecture number 29. Ryan, what are you saying? I cannot understand. Can you please repeat the question again? Okay, students. Ali, so this is the lecture 29 and assignment number 25. Okay. And what is this assignment? Bete, in your geometry copy, you have to, first what you have to do, please, you have to mention the chapter name properly, the triangle, and you have to write down the definitions. Okay. In the index, you have to mention the date. Okay. And you have to mention that definitions are there. Then you have to make the title page of chapter number 12, the triangle, and subtitles you have to write exercise 12.1. That's it. Only one exercise is there. Clear, students? Yes, Abdullah Hassan. Is it clear? Now, what is the assignment? You have to learn the definition from page 161. Okay, from page 161 and page 162. Attempt question 1 and 2 in your book of exercise 12.1 and copy down the definitions of triangle, classification of triangle according to angles and according to sides in your geometry copy from page 161 and 162. Clear, students? You have to copy down these definitions. Let me show you your definitions. What you have to do in your copy, let me show it to you. So there are important definition in your book on page 161 and 162. The students mark the important definition which you have to copy down in your copy as well. Okay, learn these definition properly. So students, here you have to write down the definition of triangle. Okay, definition of triangle with the diagram. Okay, then classification, you have to write down the heading of classification according to angles. Then you have to write down the definition of acute angle triangle with the diagram, then right angle with the diagram, then obtuse angle triangle with the diagram, then scalene, isosceles and equilateral. Clear, students? Okay, you have to write down these definitions. Yes, in geometry copy, Ryan. So students, just take care of yourself, my dear ones, and Allah Hafiz.